Alright everybody, SoCal Sports Card breaks, one box of triple threads, the pre-price break. Here's the buy-ins, the list. Good luck. (2010) triple threads. This is supposedly one of the best selling products of 2010. This is it. Two packs. Box number 57 for the single break, the single pre-priced break. Here we go, everybody. Good luck. I'll let it focus when the cards will come out. Two from the back, bring it to the front. Here we go. Reggie Bush to $4.99. DeMarcus Ware to $4.99. Ray Rice $13.50. Joseph Adai to $13.50. Lee Evans to $13.50 in the hit. Here we go, everybody. Good luck. Numbered to 18, 15 of 18. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers. Nice patch. Decent hit. Numbered to 18, 15 of 18. Going to the Steelers. Going to Racy. It's a PC hit right here. Boom. That is nice. That's a nice patch. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. 3 colors just broken up. Nasty. Wow. Nice. Nice hit. Hopefully this next patch card is nastiness. Get another nice patch card. Two from the back to the front. Here we go. Good luck. Cedric Benson, $4.99. Beanie Wells, $2.99. Tom Brady, $13.50. Sidney Rice to $13.50. Peyton Manning to $13.50 in the hit. Make sure I'm going the right way. Here we go. Good luck. 2006 Hall of Fame. Boom. Troy Aikman patch. Numbered to 36. Nice. Good patch hit. No doubt about it. Going to the Cowboys. Right there. Steve Matt. It's jersey, right? Yeah, it's jersey. I'm sorry. It's jersey. Jersey card, number to 36. Alright.